Okay, here we go. Logitech C920 unboxing. This I got off eBay, good price. Let's have a look at the box. So we get H264, which is a compression. QuickTime uses this. I use this primarily in Final Cut Pro. It's got full HD 1080p, 15 megapixel camera, autofocus, and stereo mics built in, as you can see there. Yeah, so you can do 720 1080p, 30 frames a second. 30 frames a second, and it is fairly decent, well used on YouTube for everything. You can use it with Skype. Yeah, Twitter as well, Facebook. So let's open it up. So what we got. Now I've got this just primarily to up my game with YouTube videos, just give a different angle for building things and demonstrating things. So get a manual of some kind, and that's it in the box. Fairly decent length of cable, USB. I always like to try and keep the boxes in a fairly decent state, just in case. Either returns or if I want to sell something on at a later date. There's always reasons to upgrade. So there we go, that's it out of the box. And right, so you've got decent camera mount there. It's got a slight swivel to it. That comes out, and that hooks over your monitor or your laptop. There we go, that's all good packaging on. And I believe this might be a little bit of film over here. It's got a Carl Zeiss lens, and that's everything. So what we'll do is I'll set this up, and I'm not going to use the microphone, so I won't do the microphone tests, but we'll just do a little video test on it, see what it looks like, see if the quality's there, and we'll go from there. Okay, here is a test with using Logitech microphones, dual microphones. This is 1080p, 1920 by 1080, using Apple ProRes 422. And this again is just a quick test. So yeah, focus is pretty good. Yeah. So that's going to come in handy for the builds. So yeah, very pleased, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications, and please leave a comment. I'll see you on the next one.